And now for the 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time marine observations for the listening area. At Meter Park, winds were southeast at 11 knots, and the air temperature was 74 degrees. At the Coast Guard Station on Mobile Bay, winds were southeast at 10 knots, sea temperature 75 degrees, air temperature 73 degrees. At Weeks Bay, winds were southeast at 3 knots, and the air temperature was 74 degrees. At the east end of Dauphin Island, winds were southeast at 20 knots, and the air temperature was 71 degrees. At Grand Bay, winds were southeast at 18 knots, and the air temperature was 72 degrees. 10 miles south of Gulfport, winds were southeast at 16 knots, and the air temperature was 72 degrees. At Petit Island, winds were east at 17 knots, and the air temperature was 71 degrees. At Pensacola Bay, winds were southeast at 3 knots, and the air temperature was 73 degrees. At the buoy 70 miles south of Dauphin Island, sea temperature 71 degrees, air temperature 72 degrees, wave height 3 feet, wave period 5 seconds. At the buoy 100 miles south of Destin, winds were southeast at 14 knots, sea temperature 70 degrees, air temperature 71 degrees, wave height 3 feet, wave period 4 seconds. At the buoy 12 miles south of Orange Beach, winds were southeast at 17 knots, sea temperature 71 degrees, air temperature 71 degrees, wave height 4 feet, wave period 5 seconds. Here's your marine forecast on the weather map. Southerly winds and seas will steadily build through late Saturday night in response to a vigorous upper-level disturbance breaking eastward over the mid-section of the country and a trailing cold front approaching from the west. Showers and thunderstorms are expected ahead of the front, becoming numerous at times mostly Saturday and Saturday evening. Some storms may be strong to severe, especially over inland bays and sounds and out to 20 nautical miles Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. A moderate to strong westerly flow is expected in the wake of the front on Sunday, continuing through Monday afternoon. A light to moderate northwest flow is expected on Tuesday as high pressure builds from the west. On Mobile Bay, small craft should exercise caution tonight. Small craft advisory in effect from Saturday morning through late Saturday night. For tonight, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots becoming south in the late evening and overnight. Bay waters choppy to rough. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. For Saturday, south winds 15 to 20 knots early increasing to 20 to 25 knots with higher gusts. Bay waters rough. Numerous showers and thunderstorms. Some storms may be strong to severe. For Saturday night, south winds 20 to 25 knots with higher gusts becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots in the late evening and overnight. Bay waters rough. Scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Scattered showers through the night. For Sunday, west winds 10 to 15 knots with higher gusts becoming southwest 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Bay waters choppy to rough. For Sunday night, southwest winds around 15 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots in the late evening and overnight. Bay waters choppy becoming a light to moderate chop overnight. For Monday, west winds 10 to 15 knots early becoming southwest around 15 knots in the afternoon. Bay waters a light to moderate chop becoming choppy in the afternoon. For Monday night, southwest winds around 15 knots becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Bay waters a light chop. Tuesday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming west in the afternoon, then becoming north around 15 knots overnight. Bay waters a light to moderate chop becoming choppy late. And for Wednesday, north winds around 15 knots early becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Bays and coastal waterways choppy becoming a light chop. From Destin to Pensacola, and out 20 nautical miles. Small craft should exercise caution tonight. Small craft advisory in effect from Saturday morning through late Saturday night. For tonight, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots becoming south in the late evening and overnight. Seas building to 4 to 6 feet. Bays and coastal waterways choppy to rough. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. For Saturday, south winds 15 to 20 knots early increasing to 20 to 25 knots with higher gusts. Seas 5 to 7 feet early building to 6 to 9 feet in the afternoon. Bays and coastal waterways rough. Numerous showers and thunderstorms. Some storms may be strong to severe.